guys, this is my Sonic collection. I got these Jizzware figures. I have the Toy Island Eggman. Well, I like to say this is fucking Eggman because my mom won't buy me an Eggman figure because it's too much on eBay. So I just had to do with these faggers. So I have a Super Silver, and I got Sonic in the ice chamber, and we're gonna play a game. So look at this Sonic hedgehog figure. I mean, it's pretty amazing. All mossy and shit. Been in there for 4 years. Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna play a game. I'm gonna do reenactment. You know, when I do with my figures and shit, and this is Dr. Eggman. Oh, Sonic, you will never escape the ice chamber. That's not what you think, Dr. Eggman.
But Chuck D gave the best head in metal. David Vincent had his stuff, and everyone in Vader had to hop, but no one made a peacock direct like Chuck. True. As the AIDS infested his throat, it made it hard for him to deep throat. But even as he lay in the rotting steak in the vest and covered with caposes, suck over, Chuck would signal with the fingers when a willing donor came into the room. Walking over, in addition to that, is the fact that no sex will ever compare to colostomy hole up.